Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to copy and paste on this laptop. So in order to show you the essentials of copying and pasting, let me create a new text document and let me enter some sample text in here. And now to copy this text or part of it, you have to select the part that you want to copy, and then right click and select copy, or just use the combination of CTRL and C buttons. If you want to paste it, you can either right click and select paste right here, or just use CTRL V combination of keys instead. Additionally, you can cut the text out. To do that, you have to select the text, the part of the text that you want to select, then right click and select cut, or just use CTRL X combination of keys, and then just like before, you can paste the text using CTRL V. Now additionally, you can use the clipboard feature. To activate it, you have to press Windows and V buttons combination and then select turn on this window, and you're gonna get a clipboard with a bunch of clips, which are basically your recent selections. So in order to add some new selections onto the clipboard, let's just select text and press CTRL C on a different selections, and then by pressing Windows and V, you will be able to spot each of the selections that we made. And now if you click on the selection that you made, it will be pasted onto the screen. Okay, and right now let's go to the files and folders. So let's go to the File Explorer, let's go to the videos folder, for example, and in screen recordings we actually have one file. Now if you want to copy it, you can either select it and click copy right here, select the copy icon right here, or the cut icon right here if you want to cut it out of this directory. If you right click, you can also select copy or cut, and you can also use CTRL C and CTRL X combinations on this folder or on this file. Now, so let's, for example, cut it out of this directory by pressing CTRL X, and now we can either paste it back here by selecting this paste icon, or just by pressing CTRL V, or we can go to a different directory and let's paste it into this directory by pressing CTRL V. And then if we go back to screen recordings, there will no longer be any files, because only one file that was stored there is now transferred to the different directory. You can also copy this file, well, by pressing CTRL C, or just by clicking the copy icon right here, go into any other folder and pasting it there. And right now we have this file and the copy of it in screen recordings. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.